Hi everyone. The question seems a bit tricky, but it is easy to solve. Now, before we proceed, make sure you like, you share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. We've been given that log x to base 2 add log 2 to base x is equals to 2. So we can choose to write this as a numerator and a denominator, recalling the logarithm law that states that if we have log b to base a is equal to log b to base c over log a to base c. So I can write this as log x to base c and the denominator as log 2 to base c add log 2 to base c over log x to base c and is equal to 2. So for me to get rid of this 2 so that I can be interested more in x, I'll choose to write my c as 2, since that we know if we have log c to base c is equal to 1. So this equation here at this point can be written as log 2 to base x over log 2 to base 2 added to log 2 to base 2 over log 2 to base x is equal to 2. And forward we have this as 1 and this as 1, so that we have log x add 1 over log x, all this to base 2 is equal to 2. So next point is that I can choose to say this log x to be y, and I can say let log x to 2 is equal to y. So I have y add 1 over y is equal to 2. And I move ahead to solve this by forming a quadratic equation, multiply every term by y. So y multiplied by y, we have y squared plus, actually this is 1, equal to 2y. And my quadratic equation is 2y, y squared, that is, minus 2y plus 1 is equal to, product is actually 1. My sum is actually negative 2. So the two numbers that I'm going to use in factoring out this value of b here is actually negative 1 and negative 1, since these are the values that will give a product of 1 and a sum of negative 2. So I have y squared minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Factoring out, we have y into y minus 1 into y minus 1 equals to 0. Our y is equal to log 2 to base x. So log 2 to base x equals to y, which is equal to 1, meaning that log 2 to base x equals to 1. And this means that if we have 2 raised to power 1 is equal to x, and which implies that my x, or the value of x, is equal to 2.